Ciao, dear Sicily lovers!
Don't scream, please.
You are right, Gianca. I am the microphone. I have the microphone.
She has, or she is, a natural loudspeaker. So I'm dumb. I just say deaf and dumb because of Rosella.
Sorry,
She
sorry.
screams every time.
The truth
Guys.
is that today we are very excited and we go very fast today. That's why I speak so fast and with this voice so high.
Guys, we are in the heart of Palermo. First of all, welcome to Palermo. Welcome to the city center, the historical area of Palermo. Behind us you can see two beautiful symbols of Palermo. The church of San Cataldo and the church of Martorana, la chiesa dell'ammiraglio. They are beautiful churches. One is very old, from the 1300, so very, very old. And we are very close to the city hall, right?
Yes, we are just in the historic center.
Palazzo delle Aquile, and the beautiful Fountain of the Shame, and the beautiful Four Corners. But
We'd like to remind our friends how heritage gets Palermo.
Palermo boasts 27 centuries of heritage. So we are talking about almost 3 millenniums of history.
An old heritage.
And we are in the art right now. And so let's discover something beautiful. Rosella, I follow you. Rosella is beautiful tonight. Because there is a reason why Rosella is beautiful. Fatti vedere. Wow.
What do you think about this, guys?
Who did make this bag?
Guess.
Guys, guess.
Yes.
Who's the queen of crochet in Sicily? Oh, guys. But this is a surprise. Don't spoil.
No, not too much. Because we decided to shoot some pictures today in this beautiful place. That's why I'm so, can I say, with a beautiful makeup tonight. Even if my face is very tired.
So look at that, guys. Do you recognize this this square? This is the Fountain of the Shame. Let's go higher. So we can see the square from a better position, a better view. So we are in the beautiful Piazza Pretoria, the famous square of Palermo with the amazing Fountain of the Shame. You know the reason why it's named Fountain of the Shame? Because we are surrounded by 2 churches. So that's the dome, that's the top of the San Joseph Church. This is the city hall, Palazzo delle Aquile, and again, this is the bell tower of the San Cataldo Church, and behind us, so we are right in front of the entrance of the Santa Caterina Church. Look at the writing. So it's a beautiful church from the 1500. That's why it's named Fountain of the Shame. because all the statues are naked. It was a shame for the priests, for the nuns, for the cloister nuns, because we had cloister nuns, so they, from their windows, from their rooms, they faced naked statues. And Rosella now is ready to show you.
This is a surprise, guys. Be ready for the wow. Be ready for the first in the world. We can say that this is the first on the world crochet Sicilian bag.
But you have two different bags.
Can you recognize this shape, guys? What do you think? I think that Daniela made a wonderful job. The shape of Sicily is so perfect. Are you agree with me?
But you're spoiling. It was a secret.
We have a big collection of crochet bags, and I want to share with you only 2 of them. So this is maybe one of the best one, because of course you will have your homeland every time with you. And this is so fashion, guys. Look at me. I feel a true Sicilian princess with this.
Let me see the smaller one, please.
No, not too much, Gianca.
Not too much.
In another live.
But guys,
not too much.
Out of the joke. Out of the joke. Yesterday, when we were swimming in Magaggiore Beach, I said we are very close to the goal. So our project, our dream, our baby, because it's a baby, like a baby, because we are working. We've been working for 9 months, so like a baby, a newborn.
A newborn, yes, our baby.
Our baby will see the light very, very soon. Now it's not a joke anymore. It's true, and so we have no reason to keep the secret. We have to share these beautiful masterpieces with everyone. So Rosella, please, now we have to show my favorite one. This is another beautiful
you have to
crochet.
Turn,
this is the
and look also at the keychain with the province of Sicily. You can see the red stones, crystal bits, and they represent the province of Sicily, the 9th province of Sicily.
And you have also decoration from the traditional Sicilian cart.
This fringe is so fashion. And the shape, guys, the shape reminds our traditional Sicilian bag that we named coffa. And so, be ready. Everything is made here in Sicily.
But now, please, show the other one.
No, non mi seguire.
Guys, she doesn't want. I don't know why, but what do you think? Am I right to insist? Because you have to see the masterpieces made by our special artisans. They are doing a great job, and so we have no reason why. Where are you going?
Wait for me. I have to show this way.
Let me see the bag. So this is not a bag. This is a purse.
Yes.
A sort of pochette in Italian.
This is the small version and the more elegant, we can say. In Italian, yes, we say pochette. So please write in the comments if you call pochette or purse. And look at the crystal glass beads. Also here you can recognize the 9 province of Sicily.
And
so,
Rosella,
what do you think?
I'm realizing now that you are wearing another masterpiece, but please, it's wrong.
Oh, sorry, Gianca.
So this is an entire collection. No, Rosella don't know the...
I don't see
okay,
really.
now it's correct. guys, and this is part of the collection. So because Daniela, of course, is making for us beautiful jewelry.
Yeah.
This is a crochet jewelry. And let me see the earrings. Wow. Wrong side. Wrong way. Okay. Thank you, Rosella. Oh, guys, this is amazing. And we are ready.
What do you think, guys? I'm fashion enough for you?
We are ready. Would you like to show the show?
Also,
Yeah.
too much, Gianca, too much.
Because
you are revealing too much.
we are going to release the online store very soon, so you have no reasons to keep the secret, guys.
Okay.
Look at that.
This is the summer shawl.
Yeah, the summer version. Look at the multicolored yarn. And of course, it is handmade too, with high quality, made in Italy yarn.
Organic cotton.
Organic cotton. Look at that. I go closer. Are you happy?
Yes! The joyful colors of Sicily are coming to you. And you will get all the charming heritage of our beloved island. Now, Gianca, just a corner around the square, because our car is waiting for us. We forgot our car.
This is the art of Palermo, and you know it's very difficult to park here, so we left our car in a parking, and we have to come back because they close in a few minutes. So we have just the time to show you the beautiful statues of the Fountain of the Shame. If you come to Sicily, this is a must location. You can miss it. So look at that. Scusate. Oh, there is a wedding. So that's Santa Caterina Church. That's the City Hall, Palazzo delle Aquile. That's St. Joseph Church. We are surrounded by church, and people are getting married. Oh, this is the beautiful four corner square, the quattro canti. That's actually the art of Palermo. If you've been following us, I explain you many times the how do you say the meaning of these 4 corners. Every corner means something different.
Possiamo andare di là, che salutiamo mentre camminiamo.
So guys, che ore sono, Rosella? What's the time?
Le 8.
But how many people are here in Palermo? Look at that. Very, very crowded today. Pulapino, the 3 wheels vehicle, the typical, it's a sort of rickshaw, but this is Italian, traditional Italian vehicle with 3 wheels. So guys, this is all. We have to run to the. That's the way.
Yes.
Oh, we can show the way. This is a very narrow street. Look at that. Sorry for the writing on the wall, but this is Palermo too. We are right, or we are in the wrong place? I don't know. No, perhaps this is the other one.
The other one. Sorry guys. Every time Gianca is wrong. Vabbè, salutiamo da questo punto qua che è molto bello, guarda Gianca.
So as you can see, people are enjoying their drinks, their aperitifs. We are all fine. And I don't want to do a bad impression with you. This is a live broadcast, so I don't want to get wrong with the parking location because I don't remember where I left my car. That's true. Perhaps it's this, but I'm not sure. So guys, from the happy people from Palermo, from the happy Palermo Felix, you know the old name of Palermo. The happy town, it's all. We are so happy to display to you these beautiful masterpieces that we will upload in our online store very soon.
Be ready, ladies, be ready. Guys, we love you. See you in the next days.
If you didn't see the live broadcast yesterday, it was our effort to say everybody that we are fine. So don't be afraid about the fires, about the pandemic. We are okay. We are fine here in Sicily.
And very focused on our online store dedicated to all Sicily lovers around the world.
So it's time to say bye-bye because we will risk to go home walking because the parking is closing now, I think.
Guys, we love you. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.
Sorry if we didn't answer all your comments. You are a lot, as always. A lot of people.
Love to all of you.
Ciao.
We love you.
Ciao.
Thank you for your love. Thank you for your positive vibes. And we will send you also our positive vibes to you.
Don't forget to smile. Please.
Ciao, ciao, dear Sicily
Don't
lovers.
listen TV, don't listen media, listen to your art. That's most important.